Hi guys, so now today we are approaching office after a long time, and right now we are on to the ORR. This is at Mahadevpura, and Bangalore is undergoing a lot of infrastructure developments, and this metro construction is on. We see a lot of barriers on the road, main roads, thus we need to take the service road, and I think this service road will take us up to Rainbow Hospital. So today we are going to Whitefield office. Okay, my office is in EPIP, and I'll be taking this ORR and then Alpine Eco Road, and let's see how it reaches there. So you can see we are on the service road. There is no traffic on the main road which connects to the below flyover at Mahadevpura. So we'll keep continuing on this road. So yeah, yesterday I've been to office, though I did not record. I was not clear. What should be the traffic condition over there? But yesterday I did not find a big challenge. Even today roads are clean, not much traffic. Usually on this road we see a lot of traffic piling up every day in the usual day, basically pre-COVID situation. See, here you can see the EMC square, and this is a big SEZ where many people walk. There is a lot of traffic on this SEZ. Opposite side, so this building started constructing back maybe pre-COVID they had started, but now they have come up to structure, and surprisingly this building is known or called to be the Google office in Bangalore. Yeah, so this is right on this ORR. So here we are just right outside of this Bagmane Tech Park ORR. So all this time my car been idle. I didn't drove it for a long time, though I had few opportunities to break out on the highways. Took a very long drive, about 4,000 kilometers, approximately 5,000 kilometers round trip. So here if you see, this is the Bagmane Junction. Okay, and we call it Total Mall Junction on ORR. Okay, usually here you need to wait for traffic to clear, and if you start from this place up to the Rainbow Hospital, it used to be back to back, bumper to bumper traffic. So today it is not the situation. We are easily selling through. Yeah, so two-wheeler which are coming on the opposite direction, and sometimes the cars are coming on the opposite direction. Quite annoying. Okay, if you see this guy, he's coming on the opposite direction with the parking light on. I don't understand why people take such a shortcut. If you're taking this on the night time, that's somewhere okay, but in the daytime, during peak hours. So let me tell you, the timing between 8:30 to approximately 11:30 or so used to be a peak hour on this road, and you will not be able to cross this road without pushing your brake and clutch quite often. So now we have reached the Alpine Rainbow Hospital. We'll be heading toward Whitefield via Alpine Eco. Bangalore, everywhere roads are dug up completely. For some or other reason, people say they are putting pipeline. At some places, they are doing electrification work underground. At some places, this is because of the heavy rain. So even last night, Bangalore received a heavy rain, and that was not expected that heavy. Yeah, but you cannot, be sure about Bangalore weather. Okay. Yeah, I believe the Bangalore is receiving heavy rain because of this eastern disturbance toward the coastal area, where Chennai and Andhra and rest of Tamil Nadu got affected, in even some part of Kerala also. So now we have crossed the Alpine Eco. Though up to last year, this road used to be very bad road. These people laid a lot of construction material on this road, and that's how it got improved better. And on the other side, if you see, this used to be a what do you call garbage ground. Okay, this is called a trenching ground. This is not officially a trenching ground, but yeah. So we heard many companies are promoting work from home, but still we see there are a lot of construction project on the commercial side, which is still going on, and people are expecting to resume everything to normalcy in a very short to medium term. Yeah, it should not be very immediately, but yeah, from short to medium term, people are expecting that commercial will again boom, and we will see a lot of traffic again on this road. On my left side, there is a big basket warehouse. So this warehouse is used for distribution channel within this area, which is specifically to Whitefield or to Indranagar or maybe some other areas. But prominently, yeah, this is the place where this big basket has their facility. And now we are heading Graphite India Road. See, really bad conditions of road. The roads are, they are putting white topping on the roads, and on the other day they are digging this up, laying the pipelines or cables. It's quite insane. So I'll take this side. Let's take right side. On the left side, you'll have to go toward Keys Hotel, and there you'll have to take turn at proposed metro station. So that is just next to, I think, LG warehouse. Yeah, I think it's LG only. Sorry, I'm not sure. It's LG or something, but some electronic company is there. Maybe the Voltas or Whirlpool. So now we'll head Graphite India. So this is the tech park on the left side. That started construction maybe some 3 or 4 years back, and now this is ready to occupy. Maybe a year back it is ready to occupy. Many IT companies have moved in. So where is the signal? Okay, signal is green. Let's go. So this is called Prestige Techno Park. Okay, so this is a new building which is not completely occupied, and taking the hit of COVID. Okay, had this not been a COVID situation, this property would have been really demanding and people would have moved to this facility. So we will be hitting the main Whitefield Road. So you can see there is a metro station coming up. On the left side you have the Graphite India, and on the right opposite you have the Skis Hotel. So hope you guys all keeping well, and hope everyone get back to work very soon, and with a lot of precautions while stepping out. So on my left side there is a SAP campus, and on the right side there is a renowned hotel that is called Radha Hotel. So there it is, the SAP campus, and this is the metro station which is coming up. This is written as Kundanahalli metro station. I don't know why Kundanahalli is so far down. Maybe they should name it as a SAP metro station. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm about to reach my office. Okay, on my right side you can see the substation and then the Ginger Hotel, and if you go further we'll reach the Forum Mall and Prestige Shantiniketan and other places. So that's it for today. I'll keep you posted guys on my updates on my regular commuting to office, how often I'll be going to office, and what has been my experience. By the way, one more thing, I mean yesterday I stepped into office and it was to my surprise, office was completely changed. The interior, everything is changed. It's completely transformed. Thank you guys, and hope to see you soon, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.